Hi guys, welcome to my channel and it's delivery day. Ayun, so magde-deliver tayo ng item for online business ni Mrs. So, andyan yung link sa baba if you want to order some souvenirs for any events. Just click the link below. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa may hardware. Nandito na tayo sa may ano, baksakan ng items for Shopee drop off. So, ayan. Sobrang init niyan. So, yan, tapos na tayo mag-drop off guys. So meron pa tayong isa pang task. Kailangan natin mamalengke at bumili ng saging. Mga panghimagas lang after lunch. So yan, sobrang tirik ng araw talaga guys. So, iba na yung kulay ko dyan. So yan lang, after natin bumili ng saging. And ayun na, tapos na tayo for the day. And yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.